Hello and welcome back to Easy English with James. Today we're going to look at two commonly confused words in English, and they are the words for and since. Now, the reason these two words are very often confused is in relation to the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense. That's the tense where you say things like I have been, I have seen, I have never been to America, I have never seen that movie. Okay? Also, the present perfect continuous tense. I have been working, I have been making, I have been watching. Okay? Very important tenses in English to make you sound much more like a native speaker. Native speakers use both of these tenses all the time. But what people get confused about is when do we use for and when do we use since? And I'm happy to say there is a really simple rule. Okay, for is used for a period of time. Remember we said I have been working. If we want to say how many hours I have been working, we would use for. We might say, I have been working for 5 hours. I have been working for 5 hours. If we're watching TV, we might say, I have been watching TV for over an hour. Okay? I have been watching TV for 20 minutes. I have been watching TV for nearly an entire day. It's a little bit crazy, but again, for is used for the number of days, hours, months, or weeks that we have been doing something. Okay? Since, on the other hand, is used to describe a point in time, a point in time. What does that mean? Let's say we said, I have been watching TV for 5 hours. And we look at our clock and we look 5 hours ago, what was the time 5 hours ago? That's when we could use since. So if we look at our clock and 5 hours ago was this time, we might say, I have been watching TV since this time. I have been watching TV since 3 o'clock this afternoon. Okay? If you've been working, you remember we said, I have been working for 5 hours. If we want to use since, because it's a point in time, we would say, I have been working since 9 o'clock this morning. 9 o'clock this morning. Okay, but what about for longer periods of time or many more years since something happened? We could say something like, how long have you been working in your current job? I have been working as a teacher for 5 years. Or, I have been working as a teacher since 2015. Okay? How long have you been working in your job? We also use both of these words with the negative of the present perfect. Usually with things like, I haven't seen my friend since April. Or, I haven't seen my friend for 5 months. Now, which one should you use? They both mean the same thing, okay? But for emphasizes the number of months that you haven't seen your friend for, whereas since emphasizes the date that was the last time you saw your friend, okay? I haven't seen that movie for over 10 years. I haven't seen that movie since I was 18 years old, okay? For and since. Remember the simple rule, for is a period or duration of time. Since is a point in time. Okay? Remember that and you'll be absolutely fine. Okay? Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you again for another tips video. Bye-bye.